What's going on, guys? Tony here again. How do you know if your motor mounts are bad? If you put it in reverse and drive in park and you feel like there's a big clunk, likely you need motor mounts. A quick way is to safely brake torque the engine. So you will look at your engine while somebody else holds the brake pedal and gives it gas. Not a lot of gas, just enough to make the engine or put the engine under load. So we're gonna do this right now and you're gonna see how much your engine moves. Put it in reverse. Give it gas. Again. Drive. Oh, again. Oh. All right. There you go.